being in Barking Station is a bit, at the same, well, for me, it feels weird.
It's somewhere that I don't want to stop for long. I just want to get in, get out.
Makes me feel anxious.
It's giving me vibe, it's just weird vibes.
I'm wary constantly, so generally I'm quite a happy, smiley person, but if somebody approaches me at Barking Station, I don't immediately think they're perhaps asking me for directions or to say hello. I immediately think they're coming to do me harm, or they're just going to be a nuisance.
That anxiety that you don't know how to run faster out of the station. Being a woman, it's even amplifies all these feelings. And yes, definitely I felt vulnerable several times.
For me, I would feel great if my friends feel safe as well, because sometimes they do tend to have bad experiences in Barking Station.
And the station doesn't reflect what Barking is, who the people are of Barking. I mean, it's unkept, it's untidy, it's unwelcoming, it's scary. That's all the things that we're not. It doesn't feel like it's part of my community.
Yeah, I actually do. Yeah, I remember the sound recording, because I forgot what it sounded like. But it sounded like the birds were tweeting, it sounded like the train was coming, and then it also sounded like the streets were actually loud.
I could hear the market traders, I could hear church bells, crows, definitely distinctly crows, birds, children playing, people talking. I thought it was great. I thought it was lovely, and it was really representative of everything that's going on, and the church bells are particularly important to me, so it was really nice to hear them in there, because I can hear them from my living room.
I think it will make the station feel better because, and it will also make me feel better because, it made you feel like you're home.
By making the space feel full and making the space feel like there's a tension on it, it could be quite disorienting for people that are sitting outside the station waiting to do something naughty, or because a lot of those people tend to operate in the quiet or in the dark when there's not so much going on. So if you could have something in the background that's going on and distracting them, they might think twice about doing something like that.
Noticing the sounds coming into the station at certain hours, definitely I feel okay, something is moving. People care about us, they want to improve the feeling around this area and in the station, want to make it much nicer, much better.
I think creative interventions such as the sound bites show that people care. And I think that they have a practical function in that they can bridge gaps that perhaps the police and the community leaders can't do. So even if they stop 10% of people acting in a certain way and make them behave differently, I think they've got a function there.
I like to live in a peaceful place where I can feel comfortable, I can feel secure, and I can, enjoy smiling at people, looking at people.
I'd love to feel as proud of Barking Station as I do of where I live. I'd love it to be clean and cared for, and just to look like people do care about it. And I'd like it to be somewhere that people want to meet me, and because once you get past the station, it's a whole different world. As soon as you get to the market, it's fine. So that little run doesn't reflect us, and I'd like it to fit, be in more keeping with us and our community.
You still need to put safe and parking.